So here is a second way. So I heard someone say earlier when we were doing the introductions there, affiliate marketing. So think about what products or services do you use and that you believe in that you could talk about on your channel. Now, this necessarily doesn't have to mean you have to do product reviews. That's just one way. Maybe it's just that we actually had a client. We had a coaching client. We coached her on starting her YouTube channel, and she's in the parenting space. She talks about peaceful parenting. And there are certain books that she recommends her that the parents give to their children to read. So we actually told her to talk about that and create those videos, and then she can put links to those books in the description. So there's many different ways that you can link to an affiliate product or service. Basically, it means that you're endorsing a product or service by someone else, and if someone purchases through your link, you're receiving some sort of commission from it.
Now, the cool thing is the first thumbnail that you see there, I was doing our basic YouTube setup gear. So basically this webcam that we're using, this microphone, the ring light, like that, whatever you see in the picture, like that's what I did a video on to show other people who want to do YouTube videos. I put the Amazon links to all those products, and I'm sharing, you know, my experience with the webcam. Like, we've had this webcam since 2015, this microphone for 3 years, and this ring light for like 2 years. And I'm just basically sharing the setup and my experience, my honest review and opinion. I'm just saying my experience. And then, you know, at the beginning and end of your video, you mention that you put your links. So the Amazon affiliate links. You tell people that, you know, if you are interested in checking this video out, interested in checking this product out, you guys can head down into the description. And I'm sure that if you watch YouTube, you've seen these kinds of videos where people always refer to the description, and it really works. When you tell people to go into the description, they do, and they check out those links. And so what's cool is, you know, we'll be referring a camera or something on Amazon, but then they'll go buy a book or some clothes or some popcorn, and then we'll get a commission off of that. The cool thing is with Amazon is whatever they put in their shopping cart, you get commission on. It's not just this camera or this microphone. Yeah. Whatever they buy in their shopping trip, after clicking your link, you will be compensated. And it's cool because I'm already going to be doing a video on this. We're a YouTube channel teaching other YouTubers, so I'm already going to be talking about this. So I might as well put the links in there. So it's nice to leverage off of the views that way. And it doesn't have to be Amazon. There's Walmart, Home Depot, other major retailers, but Amazon is the one that's known because everybody buys stuff on Amazon, especially during this time, and everyone trusts Amazon, and they have a better affiliate program. We also do this on softwares and tools. So softwares that we use, that lady that was talking about how she likes WordPress, we have a specific WordPress theme where we describe, you know, our experience with it. We're basically doing a review of the theme, and we only endorse and share things that would benefit others and that we have a positive experience to. We don't put out stuff that we don't endorse or we don't like. So that's why it makes it so easy to talk about it, because it's just an honest review. I'm just saying our experience. And so when people are starting their YouTube channels, I usually recommend doing those kinds of videos because you don't need much prep for it. You just describe if you like what you like about the item, the service, and if you would recommend it to people. And you would say certain things about it, like certain features, what stands out, why you like it, that type of thing.
Yeah, you're talking about what you're passionate about. Anytime you can find something to talk about that you're passionate about, you're excited about, it's going to be an easier video to film. It's just natural that way. So, yeah, this is one example here, what you should know about Bluehost. So I created a video on Bluehost because that's the hosting company that we use for our website. We have created a few tutorials on website and starting up your website. So with, you know, anybody who who I'm obviously recommending Bluehost in that video. And if anybody decides to purchase a plan through Bluehost through my link, I get an $100 commission. So every single commission is different depending on the company, depending on the platform, the tool, whatever it is that you're using. You can also do this with other people's online courses. So we have a good friend, his name is Fernando. He is excellent at talking about Etsy, print on demand, and that whole world, which I won't go into, but he's an expert at it. He has great content on it. So we actually invited him to come to our channel, and we did an interview with him because we have an audience for Etsy. And we don't have a course on Etsy, but he does, and he has a great one. So we did an interview with him, and of course he got a chance to promote his course as well, giving a ton of value in the interview. You know, it's not, none of these are full out promotional videos on the product or service. You're basically giving value in the video, and you're leaving the decision, the buying decision, up to the viewer at the end of the day. So with that course, you know, again, if anybody wanted to purchase it, we would receive a commission on the back end. So start to think about, you know, these different things. What would be valuable for your audience? What tools? It doesn't just have to be tech. It could be books. It could be different pieces of equipment. You can get anything on Amazon.
Yeah,
so,
there's so many channels. Like you can get literally anything on Amazon and put an affiliate link to it. And the affiliate program is free to sign up. It's very easy to use. We have many tutorials on how to sign up for it, how to use the links and things like that. And it's cool because you put the link, you do the video once, you put the link in there once, and it lives online. It lives online, and then we get these email notifications when people purchase Fernando's course or get Bluehost through our link. And it's exciting. It's fun knowing that, you know, we did that video one time or that interview one time, and the sales continue to come through.
Yeah, and it all adds up. It all adds up. Yeah, there are channels, you know, I'm sure you've seen them, based entirely around reviewing products. That's something you could also do if you wanted to. This is one of our clients that we also mentored. His name is Cheeks, and his channel is called Product Patrol. He just reviews, like, he loves food. That's his passion. So
food and home stuff, and I taught him how to sign up for Amazon affiliate, and he actually gets commissions on people buying chips and cereal and all that stuff because he does reviews on that, on those kinds of products.
Yeah.
Back from the dead.